Okay, so our instructions say you're throwing a superb owl party and you need to buy food for your guests. You have $40 to spend. Look through the grocery flyer to decide what to buy. Use the planning sheet below to help keep track and make sure you don't go over your budget. So I'm going to choose an item. Let's pretend I choose Pringles. And let's say they cost $1.97, and I would find this in my grocery store flyer. So the total I've spent so far is just $1.97, but we are estimating. So I estimate that's close to $2. Because if I round 197 up, I'm gonna get $2. And my calculations here for the first one, I don't really have calculations. For my money remaining, I know that I started with $40 and I am spending $2, so I have $38 left. Then, let's say next I want to buy some apples. And the apples cost me, I'm going to buy a lot of them, so they cost me $4.13. I know that $4.13 is pretty close to $4. So the amount that I have, that I've spent so far, is the $2 that I spent on Pringles, plus the $4 that I spent on apples, and that's about $6. I had $38 left after I bought my Pringles, but now I'm also buying apples for $4. So I'm going to take my $38 and subtract my $4 for apples, and I have $34 left. Then maybe one more item, just for one last example. I'm going to buy ice cream. Ice cream costs $7.87. So before I had spent $6, and now I'm spending close to $8 more. So I've spent $14 so far. And I had previously spent $34, but now I'm spending another $8 on ice cream. And that leaves me with $26. And if you need to do some scratch work down here to show 34 minus 8, you can. So you're going to keep going, and then we're going to pause at a certain point, and you're going to find the total cost of all your items here. When you do that, you're going to add them up exactly. We're not estimating in this section. So I would add all these up. I know 7 plus 3 plus 7 is 17. So I'm going to put my ones down here. These are actually hundredths, sorry. This is 7 hundredths plus 3 hundredths plus 7 hundredths is 7 hundredths, and I'm going to create a tenth. And then 1 plus 9 is 10, 11. So I have 19 tenths. So I'm going to put the 9 tenths down here, and I'm going to regroup 10 tenths to make a 1. Then I add this up, 11, 12, 13. So I have $13.97. You might have more items in the end. And then the amount of money that I have remaining here, using exact calculations, I started with $40. And notice I'm lining up my decimals, subtracting. I don't have any hundredths or tenths or ones, so I'm going to need to make some. So I'm going to take my 10, create 10 ones. Then I'm going to take one of those ones and create 10 tenths. I'm going to take one of those tenths and create 10 hundredths. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. Put down my decimal. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And that would be my final answer. I'm going to make some solution statements. So $13.97 is the total cost. I want to state that clearly and circle it. And then down here, I have $26.03 left. And I'm going to circle that. Great.